what's up? We back. What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today we're talking about a question that gets asked all the time. How do you come up with melodies? How do you come up with catchy melodies? I have to answer this because I have actually been asked this question hundreds and hundreds of times. People think that for some reason there's like some magic formula to this, but here's what it really is. Here's how you come up with catchy melodies, all right? Here's really how you come up with it. Here's how all big artists come up with the catchy melodies, okay? Number one, they turn on a beat, they start vibing with the beat, and number two, they freestyle. And you know what? I'm not talking about just freestyle for 3 minutes. I'm talking about these with freestyle like numerous times. So if you have the beat on and it's a 3-minute beat, you freestyle for 3 minutes, you stop and you start the song over and you freestyle again and you freestyle again 5 times, 10 times, okay? Non-stop, don't stop unless you know you had a melody that was like, holy shit, I gotta lay something down for that right now, and you're vibing with it, okay? But when you do this, what's happening is you're creating all of these different flows, rhythms, patterns, and melodies that you can then, when you go back through, you can just listen to it one at a time. And then only listen for the moments where you go, oh, I like that. And then you cut out everything else that's dirt. You get rid of everything else that sucks. And then you go to the next one, right? And when you're done, you're gonna have like 15 different melodies out of all of these freestyles. Then you're gonna go back through and you're gonna listen to those melodies again. And you're gonna say, which melodies on this beat that I made are the best melodies on this beat? And you can clearly tell if you have 15 different ones, you know which ones you like the most. The one you like the most is your chorus. One that would work best for the verse, that's probably the second catchiest, is your verse melody. Really, that's it. That's it. That's how you come up with it. The real trick is that you have to have the ear. You have to have an ear that knows what sounds good and what doesn't. I do a live stream where I review people's songs, and oftentimes we'll hear somebody who like raps on a beat and we're like, this doesn't sound right at all. And the reason why it doesn't sound right is because that person hasn't developed an ear for how they're supposed to sound on a beat yet, because one, lack of practice, or two, their music catalog in their mind that they grew up listening to is really whack or is non-existent. So when you have a large catalog in your head, you know what sounds good and what doesn't. You know what hit songs are because you've heard every hit song. When you have that catalog of music, it helps you understand and hear those things. That's why I went back and I listened to every Billboard song, #1 Billboard song from the 1940s to the present day. And I already know, luckily I already actually knew a majority of the songs, and you might too. But when you go listen to those, you can tell this is why this was a hit. Listen how catchy this is. Every #1 song is so catchy, it's a hit for a reason. And if you have all that in your catalog, when you start making melodies, you know yes or no. Yes or no. And if it's no, then toss it. If you don't have any, then keep making melodies till you find one. That's how you find a melody that's gonna be your hit melody or your melody to carry the song through, okay? And this is how professionals do it. Why do you think that when a mumble rapper makes a song, it sounds all mumbly? Because he was freestyling in general when he made it, and he just happened to keep the mumble. Really? That's how this shit goes. I watched an episode with Leo Cohen when he had Young Thug, and because Young Thug was signed to 300 and ENT. He says, I need you to stop freestyling songs. I need you to spend more time rewriting these hooks and redoing this if you want to sell records like Kanye. Young Thug was like, I don't wanna. Young Thug is really just freestyling the songs and then just keeping the songs. Because when you get good enough, you can just do that. It doesn't mean it's the right stuff. You still have to choose the right stuff. But he's not trying. He's just like freestyling and then keeping it, right? But that's how you choose. That's how he's choosing his melodies. That's how everybody chooses their melodies. Listen to Future. You could tell. Listen to Drake. You could tell like this is how they chose. Okay, this is how this is. You freestyle a bunch and choose the best melodies. Okay, trust me. This I've been in the studio with people write songs for Katy Perry, like everybody. Miley Cyrus, like the Jonas Brothers. People write songs for all these people. Beyonce, oh Drake. People write songs. I've been in the studio with all these people. One of J. Cole's artists. This is how they make songs. I have a course, a very high selling course, where I teach you step by step how to find beats, how to freestyle to the beats, how to take the ideas for the freestyles and how to bring them into Pro Tools or any other digital audio workstation, and how to choose those and how to arrange them and how to write to them and everything, and then have a finished song. I have a whole course on that, okay? I'll put a link below for you guys and girls. You guys can check that out. You will absolutely love that, but I'm gonna tell you right now, before you even click the link, it is not cheap, and you get what you pay for. That's why it's my bread and butter. It's a big product that I sell a lot of because it's all my secrets, right? It's this times 100, okay? Anyways, links below for you. I hope this helped you. And if you want to just start off, at least go start listening to all the #1 songs on Billboard. It's gonna help you get that ear for what is catchy and what will sell and what's gonna help you make better sounding, catchier music and choose better melodies, my friend. I promise you, okay? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Please hit me with a subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. And hit that little bell when you do, because I release a new video every single day. Please hit me with a comment if you have any questions below. All right, I'll see you guys again tomorrow with another video. I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to check out the other links below because I have some free courses and stuff you guys can take as well. All right, I appreciate y'all. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.